Yeah, guys, so today I'm gonna make some dumpling, some boiled dumpling, some Jamaican dumpling, some really calm meal dumpling. You see me? Cause I post a video over there with more if I eat Jamaican dumpling and a viewer or a subscriber look on me and say, yo, she like dumpling and she want to teach her, so I make a dumpling video today. I want to know like, share and subscribe. You see me? Boiled dumpling, some really calm meal dumpling I'm gonna boil today. So I'm gonna show you what I go on. So, yeah. Yeah, so you see right there, we got the flour right there. Right now we're gonna measure the flour. Alright? This flour I'm gonna measure is almost in total is 2 pounds combined with the cornmeal. So I'm gathering the flour into the pan. That scoop is 1 1/4. I use at least 7 to 8 cup of it. Right? Therefore I'm gonna go add the cornmeal inside of it. Not too much, it's like a little tiny tip of cornmeal. Depends on how strong you want your flour to be or cornmeal you want it to be, add more cornmeal. I'm going with some salt into it. Go to the salt, measure the salt of your choice. We use a little bit of salt. There we go. You're gonna stir it around, stir, mix it well, stir it. Everything stirring and blend into one. I got a jug of water, I'm gonna pour some water into the flour. Watch. I'm doing this slow. I didn't cut nothing out of this part of the video because I want you guys to learn how to make it. And I'm keeping this gathering everything with water is because water gonna suck up into the flour and make a dough. So I keep stirring and stirring. If you watch what I did, I use water 2 times. That's the last time I use the water. I keep going around in a circle. All the raw flour that's in the pan, I get the one that's wet already and I just contain it. So the trick is about this flour that I'm using is all-purpose flour, overseas flour. It's not like the flour that's in Jamaica where it's different. This flour, you use less water. As you can see in the video, I only use water 2 times. I'm not using water no more time. I'm just gathering it around. So all the excess flour that's on the floor, I'm sorry about that. That's on the pan. I'm using it I'm mixing it around, all around. If you understand and see what's going on. That's it. That's going around the side. Mixing around, gathering all the flour in. Alright? And guys, what am I telling you? I did wash my hands. So make sure you need the flour. Make sure you not wear no tall nails. For the females them, for the man them, cut on the fingernail. If you know how to cut on the fingernail, clean out on the fingernail. No dirt in the floor. My one them clean like a whistle. I'ma cut that one. I cut my one them last week so them good. You get me? Alright. Need the flour and it's the best thing. Less can be. Now I'm add the oatmeal or something like that tonight. Depending on how I work in the day. But there you go, have it. Here you have it, guys. Just keep it. See, I add no more water to it. Just mix it around, mix it until you form into that dough. So the trick is also, because you're making boiled dumpling, you want the dough to be hard. You don't want it to be soft like it's fried dumpling, so you gotta just keep pressing into your palm or your middle of your hand, or the muscle, one of the two. And you just keep stirring it and there you have it, finish right there. Perfect flour dough. Yeah? Yeah, I'm getting off all the flour off my finger to put everything combined into one. And you see, guys, it's not hard, it's very simple. Okay? If you guys make a mistake or something like that, where you spoil the flour, all you need to do is add some more flour to it. I didn't do that because, you know, I'm a professional at this. So you gotta put your pot on the stove with some water in there. You gotta cover it because you want it to boil. Put the water before you add the flour. Oh, I need some salt to it because I'm going to boil banana and potato. But before you put the flour into the pot, make sure it's boiling or it's fully heated. Okay? That one is a little clip. But now I'm going to let it boil at least 10 to 15 minutes so the water will be bubbling. Okay? So, this is how I'm making the flour. I'm making the flour so I'm going to show you slowly. Right there I get a bunch of flour after that dough. And I'm pressing in the middle like I'm massaging the same spot. I'm getting that outside of the flour, I'm gripping it inside to curve into one to get a dough or a perfect circle or a spear, whatever you guys call it. Then I roll it over, turn over the 2 sides and I roll it again. Yeah? Then I'm going to squeeze it on. You can squeeze it with both sides. You can use the corner, that side of your hand and the other side of your hand. Or include in the middle of your palm. And then after you finish, use your finger to shape it or you want to shape it. If you want it to go flatter, you squeeze it down flatter. Alright? That's how I do mine. I'm going to do one more again just for you guys to get it. If I'm going too fast at one, I'm going to go slow. But it's look. I'm going to see my big thumb in the middle of the flour. Do. I'm forming that circle and I make sure it's perfectly shaped. So that means when you bite the flour, you don't feel no lump in it because it was perfectly neat in and pressed. Alright? This is how you make a dumpling. A perfect dumpling, a perfect Jamaican boiled dumpling. You go put it in the pot and leave it to boil. Yeah. Alright, look, this is a trick I'm showing you guys. You see? I didn't press it. I just circle it like a circle. If you guys want to do that, you can go do it. Fine, but your dumpling won't be perfect as that. This what I'm doing, you gotta massage it into that, in that middle, you gotta massage it. Okay? I can go fast, I can go slow, but I'm going slow because I want you guys to see and learn. Alright? I already know how to do it already. After I finish it, I make a perfect circle shape. You don't want to dumpling them ugly, you want them, yeah, me I show you. See, you can use this, or you can use this other side of your hand. Or you can use the middle. As you can, you see, look, including the middle. Yeah? See, middle, you can use 3 sides of your hand. Make a dumpling to shape it how you want it to shape. Make them nice and look flexible and look eatable. Yeah? That. Alright. Into the pot. As you can see, I'm now putting them in the pot. 4 I'm showing you. Make 4 for you. I'm showing you the 4. The others, I'm going to do it off camera. Hope you guys learn. That's the best stuff I did. I'm going to make 1 more again for showing you. That's the last one, okay? Yeah. Yeah, that's the last one. Put in that last one into that pot. There we go. Done. Last one again. Sorry. Then we're gonna stir it around because you don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pot. So you gotta keep stirring it around. Cover it up, half mass it. Because if you cover it all over, it's gonna go boil over. Right here, doing some bananas. Doing the old fashioned way, getting the oil on my hands so it don't stick onto my hand. That's staying up on the banana. Yeah. Cutting those bananas and peeling them. And I'm showing you guys cut the edge. You see? Once you cut right there, it's perfectly fine. If you don't cut the edge, you're gonna get this. You can destroy the banana, break it up into a few pieces. And you don't want that. So you bring it right there, just put your thumb all the way down, open the creases of it, and just go around in a circle and just take it out. Yeah. That's it, guys. Very simple. Hope you guys are learning this one. This is very tricky, but you guys just follow what I'm saying and just do it. Do it slowly. There you go. If anything that's left, just use a knife and just clean it off. Scrape it off and that's it. Then you put that into the pot. These gotta be going after the dumpling is in. You put those in. Got water is already hot. You can't put this in cold water. Won't work. I'm doing 1 more banana for you guys so you guys can get it. I'm showing you guys again. Cut the creases of it. Or that side of I don't know what it's called. The edge or something. The edge. Yeah. Alright. Same thing again. Repeat the same thing I just did. Press your thumb into a crease and just draw it all the way down and just remove it. In circle, go all the way around. And that's how you peel the banana. You see? Fingernail them clean, right? Yeah. That means no dirt into the food. All the way around. Alright. Yeah, right now I'm peeling some potatoes to go inside of it. But guys, make sure the dumpling boil is 20 to 30 minutes. Especially if it's cornmeal, you need more than that. Okay? Yeah. Banana peel into the pot so the pot water don't get dark and black. And please remember to half mask it because you don't want it to boil over. So there you go, everything is bubbling, boiling. There you go, test it. Make sure it's cooked. Yeah, that's what you want, guys. Everything should be cooked and soft. And the dumpling should be floating. When it's floating, that means it's ready. Ready to consume, ready to eat. You get me? Once they're floating, that's how you know when it's cooked. Right now, I'm going to share it and I'll show you how I'm going. Finishing product. Yeah, man. Eat 2 kegs. Cause Jamaican we call it kegs and flour dumpling. Boiled food. Consume 2 of them there right now. Yeah, 2 kegs and 1 banana and a potato. Lunch, you know, we don't want 2 full up stomach. Actually, I never lunch because the food I finish cook 2 o'clock. So, I'm middle of what I call lunch and dinner at 1. You see me? I could eat this with some curry lintel. Some nice curry lintel I cooked last night. Bad like yard. Vegan. If you are vegan, this is meal for uno. I tell you again. Meal for uno. No meat, nothing. Everything natural. Natural herbs, everything. No powder season, nothing. Yeah, like everything. The only thing I'm not trying to is coconut powder I'm using it. But yeah. And I can eat dumpling, the curry chicken, brown sugar chicken, tin mackerel, callaloo, pop chow, steamed fish, fried fish, brown sugar fish, jerry chicken. Anything you know, eating anything, ton can meal. No, not ton can meal. Anyway again, mistake. Sorry, mackerel. Here are the dumpling. Boiled dumpling. And we're gonna consume this food with some curry lintel that I made last night. Yeah. So see banana yeah. Cook. Hot. You can eat this with anything you guys want. Any meat kind you want, even including butter. Or by itself. Choose. And when them say eat it while hot, them never tell a lie. I call it because I don't want to burn my mouth. Hot. Dumpling, 10 out of 10. Can't go wrong. Follow exactly what I'm doing in the video, yeah? Alright. Follow exactly what I did in this video. Yeah. You can't go wrong. If you follow everything that I did, perfect. You get the perfect dumpling. Okay? So to the viewer, I show her the teacher and show her, see there, show her everything. So more you guys to do, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Until then, like, share, subscribe, comment what do you guys want me to do or make. I make any food. Comment it, I'll make it. Certified chef. Okay? Any food you can do, comment it and I'll teach you guys how to make it. I'm out. Peace out. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell a friend, you see me? And spread the love and support the channel.